Research ethics is a cornerstone of research. Laws and regulations, such as Medical Research Act, Gene Technology Act, or General Data Protection Regulation, to mention a few, set the ethical frames for research. Certain disciplines have their own governing bodies that offer advice on professional ethics in more detail. Institutes, such as our university or our university hospital, also have regional and local ethical committees that issue statements regarding research plans to ensure their ethicality. If you are doing medical research or using laboratory animals, you will need a license to perform your research. All medical research projects must obtain a favorable statement from the Kuopio University Hospital Committee on Research Ethics. The project will also need an organization permit and potentially other licenses, depending on the case. Animal experiments are authorized by the National Animal Experiment Board. Also, projects in the field of humanities and social and behavioral sciences may require an ethical review performed by the UEF Committee on Research Ethics. This is the case if the study involves an intervention in the physical integrity of subjects, if it deviates from the principle of informed consent, if it exposes research subjects to exceptionally strong stimuli or possible long-term harm, if it can signify a security risk to subjects, or, in certain cases, if the study subjects are children under age of 15. Research integrity is another side of research ethics. It refers to good scientific practices that all researchers are required to adopt in their research activities in order for research to be ethically acceptable, reliable, and credible. Finnish Advisory Board on Research Integrity has formulated guidelines for responsible conduct of research. UEF has also committed itself to following the guidelines. According to these guidelines, you must plan, conduct, and report research with integrity and accuracy. Apply ethically sustainable methods in collection, research, and evaluation of data. Practice openness in publishing and publish the source of financing and other associations relevant to the conduct of research. Take into account of other researchers' work and achievements. Determine the questions relating to the status, rights, co-authorship, liabilities, and obligations of the members of a research team before the research project starts, and to follow good administrative practice and good personnel and financial management practices. Each individual researcher is primarily responsible for complying with these principles. The responsibility also rests on the whole research community, research groups and their principal investigators, the directors of research units, and the administration of research organizations. You can learn more about ethical issues on Research Ethics course, which runs twice a year.